So I am developing this website using LocalWP. I tried logging in, but it seems I've forgotten my password. If you have experienced this or are currently experiencing it, you would agree with me that it can be very frustrating. For most of my live websites, I log in from my web hosting account, so I barely know or remember any of the admin passwords for these websites. So at times, when I import copies or backups of websites into LocalWP to work locally, I find myself stuck because I do not know the passwords. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest method to reset your LocalWP website admin password without going through Site Shell. All you need is either your username or email address. Let's get started. Click here, Lost Your Password. Enter either your existing username or email address. WordPress now says we should check our email for the confirmation link. Go to LocalWP. Click Tools and then Open Mailpit. If you're not seeing the Open Mailpit link, you will need to update your LocalWP application to a more recent version. As you can see, we have an unread email in our inbox. This is the typical password reset email WordPress sends you. Thanks to LocalWP for adding this important feature. Open the email, find the password reset link. Here it is. Click it. Now you have to enter your new password. If you're going to put your website on a live server, I recommend using a very strong password. You can go with what WordPress has suggested. I am going to enter something very simple for the sake of this tutorial. Enter, confirm, and save the password. You can save your new password in your browser. This is optional. Now click this login link, enter your username or email address and password, and hit log in. Great, we are now back in. You now have full access to your WordPress admin backend. In an upcoming video, I will teach you step-by-step how to build a food and grocery delivery app like Uber Eats or Zomato in just 30 minutes using WordPress and WooCommerce. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Before you go, do you know the name of this channel? The channel that brought you this awesome tutorial? Please check it out, like this video, and again, subscribe to help grow this channel. Good luck with your project.